we talked about some downside targets. It looks like we are on the precipice of breaking down from this inverted saucer here. And, if you start to break this support zone, projecting like a 3 to 4 cent move, I think we could easily retest this low from October. And, then when you're looking at that, you zoom out, you're retesting this low from October. This turns into an even bigger inverted saucer rounding top formation. And then you start breaking that support. And then you're looking at the euro potentially dropping into the 98 cent, par valuation against the dollar. So I really don't see how you can be a dollar bear this year. I don't really care that the Fed's going to be cutting rates. If anything, that's going to drive capital into the short end of the yield curve. And if long-term rates start rising and short-term rates start falling and the curve steepens, that's probably going to be bullish for the dollar. Okay. So again, I think when it comes to stocks, we need to see a situation to confirm where we are cyclically with respect to the long-term cycles. We need to see a situation where the dollar is rallying in conjunction with stocks like we did in 2021. That preceded the longest market pullback going back to March of 2009 or the global financial crisis. So yes, stocks can rally with the dollar. Whoever says that's not true, I guess look at the charts, look at the correlations. It just depends on where you are cyclically and where you are on a macro level. David says there's no such thing as the house's money. It is my money that you make for taking risk, and you have the right to walk away with the house's money or risk it again with the house's money. Yeah, absolutely. I was talking more in the context of gambling, which I don't really do, but I was, I kind of approach it from a trader's risk management mindset whenever I have. Yeah, Arnie, I know what you mean, because Rambus, I did like the technicals on that, but clearly it's one of those cases where it was a good lesson in position sizing. Well, here's the thing, Arnie. If you say you're a portfolio manager, what are you going to sell every stock before its earnings report? Are you going to sell every stock in your portfolio before earnings report? You're going to sell all your portfolio, all the holdings in your portfolio 4 times a year. Again, I don't really see